Okay, my fifth resource is Symbaloo.com. Now, my computer teacher at our school has this set up on her computer and then all of her student computers so that when the kids come in, they pull up the browser, it pulls up this screen, which it you can log into your own. And so she already has hers on there. And the kids, all they have to do is click on the website that she wants them to go to. Say it's PBS Kids over here. So they would click on it, it'll take them straight to the website. They don't have to type anything in, they don't have to um, accidentally type in the wrong thing. It just takes them right to it. So this is something that teachers would use. Um, and then you would just put this either you can put it on your iPads or on the computers or whatever electronic device you use. You can put it on there. So that way this pulls up every time they pull up the internet. I like this, and I'm going to show you mine. I like this because um, I have my own setup. So this is mine, and I can just add in different videos. Like I've added in videos for my students that maybe we watch during snack time, or maybe we watch if we have an extra couple minutes before recess, we'll put it on and count to 100 or sing the songs that I've got up. But I've also got my personal stuff on here, so my college stuff, my school stuff. But I like it as a parent too because I can set up my kids and my son. This will pull up on our internet browser, and he can go straight to his IXL account or his Zern Math. Um, and then you can create, like if you um, find a website you really like, you can click on a tile and then it'll pull up this. You create your name, you give it the browser, like maybe I'm gonna give him we'll go to oops. So I'm going to click that. Sometimes it'll pop up a picture, sometimes it doesn't. Then it'll pop up what it is. So this is a website, and this will go on the title. I always put show text. You don't have to. I just like that. And then you can click on a color, and then I'm going to save it. So then it'll pop up on his screen, and I could change this or I can leave it, depending on whether it makes sense to him, which my son would understand that. He's 9. He would be able to figure that out. But I think this is a great way for our students to have this already on the iPads or the computers just to help them so they don't have to go through the construction sites. Like they can just drive straight on through, click on it, go straight to the website. They don't have any obstructions or anything to get through. So I think if you haven't checked this out, you probably should. You can literally add anything. You can add movie videos on here, books, websites. Um, I really like it. I mean, there's also tools, like they give you resources, and then you come up with whatever. But I just like this because I can set it up to what I need on my screen. And like for our computer teacher, she has it to where over here the kids just have to go down and they click on. She has a category called kindergarten. They click on it, it pulls up their screen, and then they can go straight to what she needs them to go to for the day. And that would easily go quicker than having to type every little letter in for their tiny little hands. And sometimes it's a little trickier since some of them might not know their alphabet. So trying to find the letter on the keyboard is a little bit trickier. I hope that this could maybe simplify your life a little bit in your classroom and you would enjoy it on yours as well.